If your credit score is worse than you'd like it to be, there may be quick ways to raise it. Depending on what's holding it back, you might be able to get up to 100 points very fast. Credit scores in the fair and poor ranges could see huge improvements. My name is Eva and welcome to the businesssnap.net channel. Please subscribe and like this video, and don't forget to click the bell notification. Here are some strategies to quickly improve your credit. Number 1. Pay credit card balances strategically. Your credit usage is the percentage of your credit limits that you are using at any one time. A decent rule of thumb is to use no more than 30% of your credit limit on any card, and the lower the better. The top scorers use less than 7% of the time. You should ensure that your balance is low when the card issuer submits it to the credit agencies, as this is what is used to calculate your credit score. Paying down the balance before the billing cycle finishes, or paying numerous times throughout the month, is an easy approach to keeping your balance low. Number 2. Ask for higher credit limits. When your credit limit increases but your balance remains the same, your overall credit utilization drops, which might help you improve your credit. If your salary has increased or you have more years of good credit, you have a good chance of acquiring a bigger limit. Number 3. Become an authorized user. If a family or friend has a credit card account with a large credit limit and a track record of timely payments, request that you be added as an approved user. This adds the account to your credit reports, and its credit limit might assist you in maximizing your utilization. Authorized user status, often known as credit piggybacking, permits you to profit from the principal user's good payment history. The account holder does not have to let you use the card or even give you the account number for your credit to improve. To get the best results, make sure the account reports to all 3 leading credit agencies: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Most credit cards do. Number 4. Pay bills on time. If you pay late, no credit improvement method will work. Worse, late payments can be reported to credit bureaus for 7.5 years. If you miss a payment by more than 30 days, contact the creditor right away. Pay as soon as possible and inquire whether the creditor will consider not reporting the missing payment to the credit bureaus. Even if the creditor refuses, it is worthwhile to bring the account current as soon as possible. Every month that an account is marked late lowers your credit score. Number 5. Dispute credit report errors. An error on one of your credit reports may be lowering your score. Resolving credit report inaccuracies can help you improve your credit rapidly. You are entitled to free credit reports from all 3 major credit bureaus. Request them from annualcreditreport.com. I will share this link on the description below, and then review them for errors such as payments labeled late when you paid on time, someone else's credit activity mixed in with yours, or unfavorable information that is too old to be listed. Once you've identified them, you must dispute them. Number 6. Deal with collections accounts. Paying off a collections account eliminates the risk of being sued for the debt, and you may be able to persuade the collection agency to stop reporting the amount once you pay it. You can also erase collections accounts from your credit reports if they are inaccurate or have been listed for too long. Number 7. Use a secured credit card. A secured credit card is another option for building or rebuilding your credit. This sort of card is secured by a cash deposit, you pay it in advance, and the deposit amount is usually equal to your credit limit. You use it like a regular credit card, and on-time payments help you establish credit. Number 8. Get credit for rent and utility payments. Rent reporting services can report on-time rent payments to credit bureaus. Rent payments are not taken into account by all scoring models. Vantage scores do, whereas fico 8 does not. Even so, if a potential creditor examines your papers, rent records will be present, and a long track record of consistent payments can only assist. Experian Boost can also help, but only to a limited extent. You connect your bank accounts to the free Boost service, which searches for payments to streaming services, phone and utility bills, and so on. You have control over which payments are added to your Experian credit record. When a creditor retrieves your fico 8 using Experian data, you benefit from the additional payment history. Number 9. Add to your credit mix. A good standing additional credit account may enhance your credit, especially if it is a form of credit you do not already have. Consider getting a loan if you only have credit cards. A credit builder loan can be a low-cost choice. Check to see if the loan you're thinking about getting reports to all 3 credit agencies. If you simply have loans or a few credit cards, a new credit card may be beneficial. It can reduce your overall credit use by increasing accessible credit in addition to optimizing your credit mix.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get a notification for my videos. Business Snap. Finance, business and investing updates.